Alright, unboxing the Ryzen 2700X. This will go pretty quick because I have already taken this off. Now let's see. It's hard to focus. Focus. There we go. Sweet. So yeah, just gotta assemble the system here. Bought a Prime X370 Pro and an HX750i and 8 gigs of RAM. Basically, I don't need that much RAM because this is just gonna be my streaming computer. To take all the power from some of the power from my main PC over there. Yeah. So yeah, there's a cooler following with it. There we go. Sorry about the angle right now. Should be a LED RGB fan. Just looking where to open it. A little unsure now. Alright, anyways, you guys can see that on the AMD website anyways. You can see it everywhere. You've probably already seen it. So yeah, that's it. The unboxing of the